my image in this plane mirror that is like in our houses, I'm also able to see my image in this spoon that is in kitchen. And when I rotate this spoon, I'm also able to see my image. But the difference is the size and the position, like the quality of image, it differs in all the three cases. Why does it happen?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Now see, what's happening actually, in my last video we were talking about the reflection and we understood how the reflection happens and what all the laws are. In same video we tried to explain about the medium or the surface from where the light were bouncing back. The same concept is here. So when we talk about optics, we say as curvature. The surface we take it as a curvature. So let's assume that, or why to assume it's a plane mirror, right?
Yeah.
So when we say it's a plane mirror, it has its own surface, that is plane in surface. Now, but when we are talking about optics, we will say this surface is a part of that curvature. We can say this is a curvature which is plane in nature. Okay. About this spoon. Now, if you see the spoon, the structure here, and you ask about why the images are formed like this. Now, if you see clearly that the spoon, this end has different kind of a structure or face compared to this face.
This
now
is
what you can see,
inwards,
it's bulging inside.
Inwards.
Or this is bulging outside or say outward.
Yeah.
Now in optics or in light, we will see, now if you see this image or this face, if you are relating this face and this face, what you are finding here,
both
it's
are
also
like
in the same nature.
Yeah.
So when we say it has a cave type structure and we explain it as concave.
Okay.
Now this in the same, if we go with the same property, this is concave
mirror.
Now I am saying this is bulged outside, and in this object this is also bulged outside. We say it as convex.
Okay.
Now if I want to understand in much better manner before going to our own Srijna activities, if I take this particular prototype object which explains you some different type of aspect what you were asking. Now, if we assume that this is a plane surface, this is also a plane surface. Now, what's happening? Lights are falling on this particular surface, and what's happening? It's bouncing back into different directions. Now, here it was a plane surface. Lines are, these straws are used as a beam of or the rays of light.
So these represent rays of light.
Rays of light. Now, the rays are falling from A direction to
this
B direction. If suppose this is B surface and from here the rays are coming, if this is A, from A to B the lights are falling, and from B again it's moving back or bouncing back or reflecting. Very good. Now if I just distort the image,
this is like a reflecting surface.
Reflecting surface.
Okay.
I was assuming it as a plane mirror.
Okay.
Now hold the spoon against this.
Okay.
Now if the same thing, if I make the structure like this, now can you see what's happening to these straws?
They are deviating away.
They are deviating away.
The light beam is like spreading away.
Spreading away. Now just rotate the spoon.
So first that was the case of convex thing.
Convex
like
thing.
Initially you told
now
that
in a mirror we say it as convex, or this surface is known as convex.
Okay.
Now if you rotate the same face of the spoon, now if I make the structure in the same direction, now what's your finding?
They are like converging to a point.
They are converging to a point. So I will not say what this point means, what's happening. We will understand on the real practical example. So we will come on board and I will explain you what it means and how it's happening.
But the key point is in concave it is like meeting at a point, and in convex it is like
in concave it was deviating.
In convex it was
deviating. In concave it was
meeting at a point.